Now this is a little different. Wonder if we've talked about this. We may not have. You see this circle? And you see this circle? Do they look congruent? Yeah, they look like the same size circle. Do they look parallel? They're not right on top of each other, but they're still parallel. If you extended the plane in which each of those circles existed, those planes would never touch. And so, most of the cylinders you're going to see, or most of the prisms, are called right cylinders because the lateral face makes a right angle with the base shape, but it doesn't have to be the case. And so this is still a cylinder, it's just not the type of cylinder you're used to seeing, but we treat it the same way. Volume is equal to area of the base multiplied by the height. And then since the base is a circle, the area of the circular base would be pi r squared. So area of the base is approximately 3.14 multiplied by, that is the radius, it's going from the center to the edge, so 3 squared. So the area of the base is approximately 3.14 multiplied by 9, which is 28.26. And then I can substitute that in for big B. So volume is approximately 28.26. The distance between the bases means the perpendicular distance between the bases. So that's why they showed you this height outside of the figure. And they could have shown it inside, but I guess they thought it would clutter the figure. But the perpendicular height between those two circular bases is 5, and so that's the height of the cylinder. Sorry, substituting that here. And so the volume is approximately 141.3 inches cubed. Now, let me put up the assignment for tonight and show you how similar it is to what we just did. The first one, just like on last night's assignment with the prisms, the first one I did to show you how to show your work and to give you a framework. But you can use a calculator as long as you're writing the formulas and substituting the variable values. Then you can use a calculator for computation like 3.14 times 49. You've got a straightforward cylinder, except this one, it's not standing on the circles. This one, if I see 3.5, I might just use 3.5 there. This is straightforward. This is pretty straightforward. And this one's a little more challenging, but that's why I did this one on the video. So the video that's on the blog every day, it's still there. So use it after you try it on your own. All right, thank you. Class dismissed.